If your GOG Galaxy client is showing an error and refusing to open properly, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through two of the most effective fixes, step by step. This issue usually happens when the background Windows service gets stuck during startup, or when the local storage database becomes corrupted. The good news is that both problems can usually be fixed in just a few minutes, without reinstalling the entire client. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to make sure the GOG Galaxy app and its background processes are fully closed. Press Ctrl, Shift and ESC together to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager is open, look through the list of running apps and background processes for anything named GOG Galaxy or Galaxy Client. If you see them, click each one and choose End Task. This is important because if the app is still partially running in the background, it can prevent the fix from working correctly. Now that the app is fully closed, we need to check the Windows service that GOG Galaxy depends on. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type services.msc and press Enter. This will open the Windows Services window, where you can manage system and application services. Inside the Services list, scroll down until you find GOG Galaxy Communication Service. This service is essential for the client to communicate properly during startup. If it has stalled or stopped, the app may fail to launch or show an error screen. Right-click on GOG Galaxy Communication Service and select Start. If it is already running, you can still restart it by stopping and starting it again, but in most cases, simply starting it is enough. Once the service is running, close the Services window and try launching GOG Galaxy again to see if the issue is resolved. If you're still getting the error, the next fix is to clear the corrupted local database files. This is a very common cause when GOG Galaxy opens and immediately throws an error screen. First, make sure GOG Galaxy is completely closed again. Check the system tray in the bottom right corner of Windows and right-click the GOG Galaxy icon if it's there. Then choose Exit or Quit so the program is fully shut down. Next, press Windows key and R again, type %program data, %, and press Enter. This opens the program data folder on your computer. From there, open the gog.com folder, then open the Galaxy folder. Inside that folder, look for a folder named Storage. This storage folder contains local data that the client uses, and if it becomes corrupted, it can trigger startup errors. Delete the storage folder entirely. Don't worry, this does not delete your account or your games from your library. It simply removes the local cache database, so GOG Galaxy can rebuild it fresh the next time it starts. After deleting the folder, relaunch GOG Galaxy. The client should recreate a clean database and start up normally. If the app opens after that, you're all set. You fixed the service issue and cleared the corrupted storage data, which solves the most common GOG Galaxy client errors. If it still doesn't work, you may need to check for Windows updates, repair the app, or reinstall GOG Galaxy. But for most users, these two steps are enough. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more fix videos, and leave a comment if you want help with any other PC or gaming launcher errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.